My God, Payal, why are you out? Why? Why? But at the same time, are you even surprised with the way you've left? Were you surprised at all? Please.
That the ace got the power to delete me, and I'm not very happy about it. If it was like in-house voting or it was in hand of the players, I could have been there. But this is the game of ace, and ace deleted me, so I'm very disappointed. So with Kushal, the last week was not very tough. He was a very supportive ace. He was biased towards us, and he told us that whatever he did in the beginning, he was very sad about it, and he wanted to support us in the fifth week. So it was a journey like full of like roller coaster, but at the end Kushal supported us, and it was a shocker for me when Ali deleted me because of some personal reasons. I knew from the beginning of this week he wanted to target me because I took his name in nomination, and he knew that I'm not going to follow what he wants to do. And for some personal reasons he deleted me from the game, but he gave some other reasons just to clarify in front of everyone that, oh, I'm deleting you for this reason. But honestly, I knew that Arslan and Ali didn't wanted to continue with me because he knew that I'm not going to vote for him in the upcoming week for the finale.
Mm, right, and I think because you're so close to the finale as well, it must be really, really disappointing, I'm sure. But I think, Payal, you've done really well on the show. I think you've often been someone who has expressed how they feel. I remember at one point, you really, I won't use the word lashed out, but I feel like you spoke up against how when you were in an alliance, uh, you felt undermined. You felt like, you were always constantly fighting against the odds. Uh, I have to ask you this though, very bluntly. Do you feel like there is an elitist kind of divide within the way the alliances are operating, i.e., the film and the TV sort of crew versus the content creators? Do you feel like there is this kind of elitism that's going on? And how challenging do you think it's been to fight it, should you think that that divide exists on the show?
Yeah, honestly, in the beginning, I felt that people are dividing alliances. Like, let's keep the kids out of it and just make the alliances with our people who are gonna support us. But later on, I realized they are just counting us as vote banks, and if we're gonna support them, they will keep us. Otherwise, they will just kick out one of us. And they did the same thing with Vanshaj in the first week, then with Dolly because she was speaking up against them, and then when I started speaking up they targeted me also. So it was a tough journey for me since the beginning because I was fighting against all the odds. No one was taking me in their alliance because they knew that I'm not going to support anything that they wanted. And I was not following the majority since the beginning because I don't wanted to be a part of a group where eight people were playing together against one team, which was kind of unfair because most of the games were designed as you have to target one alliance, like Heist and some other games where we had to take out one alliance from the game. So I really felt targeted since the beginning, and that's why they gave me the tag of target. And I wore a t-shirt also. They got me a printed t-shirt called as a targeted. So I mean, I stood up for what I felt was right at that moment, and that's why they didn't like me. And they decided to you know vote me out. And especially like early, I had a good bond with him. I never fought with him, but because of some personal reasons, just for the last week he deleted me, which was not which was not a fair reason, to be honest. And I felt very bad. I was expecting that Kushal might delete me, but he was a very different person in the fifth week. And I'm very disappointed that Ali deleted me. That was like unexpected.
Which is a bit ironic though, because Ali came in, confronting Kushal with the way he's playing the game, but essentially him and Arslan are doing pretty much what Kushal was doing.
I know, right? Kushal was just like on the face. Whatever he felt, he was like on the face. But both the brothers were planning and plotting, always staying in the smoking room and like discussing everything about Kushal and how to delete this person, that person. Aslan kind of played in majority since the beginning, but later on when his brother came in, he started following his steps. So earlier I used to like the game he used to play, like Arslan's game. I really liked it in the beginning, that he's smart, he's taking the majority with him, he is deciding what to do, what not to do. But when Ali came in, he just followed him blindly, and he had no opinions of his own opinions. And most of my friends also kind of followed them blindly, like Aku, Ruhi, and then Kashish entered, Bali entered. All of them were in a group, and they were just doing what Kushal was doing in the beginning. So there was no difference in what he was doing and now Aslan and Ali are doing.
You know, Ruhi's got it right though. I think she's definitely playing a very good game because yahan se wahan she kind of knows how to smartly navigate the arena, which I feel like perhaps Payal, do you think like you could have done that better in terms of in hindsight now that you've left the game? Do you think you could have done that better? Because I feel like in a way, because people like you, Dolly and Vanshaj, because you were honest, right? आपके दिल में खोट नहीं था. So you were often just saying how you felt. But do you think that honesty, in a way, kind of cost you your position in the game as well?
Honestly, I don't regret it, to be honest. Like, it's fine. अगर लाइक हेडक्वार्टर में किसी को पावर मिलती कि वोट करके बचाना है, तो वो मुझे बचाते फॉर श्योर। लेकिन एज को पावर मिली और उन्होंने मुझे डिलीट किया। आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट बिकॉज इट्स ओके, आई प्लेड द गेम विद द ऑनेस्टी, एंड आई वॉज नॉट विद द मेजोरिटी। एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरी ऑडियंस देखेगी तो दे विल फील प्राउड कि यार जैसे मैं हूँ असली लाइफ में, मैं वैसे ही थी वहां पर। आई वॉज नॉट फेकिंग इट, आई वॉज नॉट अ थाली का बैगन जो इधर भी जा रहा है उधर भी जा रहा है जस्ट टू स्टे इन द गेम। लाइक मैं खुश हूँ मेरे गेम से काफी।
No, and you should be, by the way. Let me tell you, I loved you on the show. I think you were fabulous. Like, and honestly, I loved your bond with Vanshaj in particular. I mean, I think Vanshaj is doing very well, actually, with the way he's navigating everything. He's gone on a bit of the back foot in terms of what people think, but when it comes to the game, he's always on the front foot, and I think the way he's managed it is amazing. But I think had it not been for Dolly and Vanshaj on the show, Bayal, how do you think you would have coped? Because you found your comfort and your strength, I think, within them as well. So how, I mean, describe that bond to me because I thought it was really beautiful to watch on the show as well.
या इन द बिगिनिंग मुझे लगा नहीं था कि वंशज के साथ मेरा बॉन्ड इतना स्ट्रांग होगा। वी बोथ कम फ्रॉम द सेम इंडस्ट्री, लाइक ही इज आल्सो अ स्ट्रीमर, आई एम आल्सो अ स्ट्रीमर, बट वी नेवर मेट इन रियल लाइफ लाइक सो मेनी टाइम्स। वी जस्ट लाइक met with met once or twice, कुछ इवेंट में मिल गए या कोई पार्टी में मिले, बस इतना ही था। वी नेवर लाइक शेयर्ड एनी बॉन्ड एज सच। बट जब शो में हम आए तो ही बिकेम माई इमोशनल सपोर्ट, ही रियली सपोर्टेड मी। एंड जब भी वो आउट हुआ पहले हफ्ते में, आई वॉज वेरी वेरी सैड। एंड जिस तरीके से लोग रिएक्ट कर रहे थे वो चीज से भी मैं बहुत ही सैड फील कर रही थी। बट डॉली ने काफी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टैंड लिया खुद के लिए, एंड आई थिंक वो जितने टाइम के लिए थी वो उसके लिए इनफ था। बिकॉज उसके अलावा शो में किसी के पास कोई वॉइस ही नहीं थी। इफ यू सी, सैबी वाज माय अलायंस बट शी लाइक बैकस्टैप्ड मी लाइक क्रेजी। एंड अदर पीपल आल्सो लाइक रीवा, अनएक्सपेक्टेड था रीवा का वोट डॉली के लिए आना। बट उसके बाद हम लोग ये तो समझ चुके थे कि यार इनके साथ एडजस्ट करके चलना है, तो थोड़ा वॉइस को लो डाउन करना पड़ेगा, वरना ये लोग तुरंत नॉमिनेशन में डाल के आपको निकाल देंगे, बिकॉज दे हैड द मेजोरिटी। सो कुछ कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन होती थी जिसके लिए मुझे बोलना पड़ता था। बट मैं थोड़ा अपने आप को शांत रखती थी कि यार नहीं, अभी निखिल सर के अगेंस्ट कुछ बोल नहीं सकती, अभी मिनी मैम के अगेंस्ट नहीं बोल सकती। बट एक टाइम के बाद वो ऐसा हो गया कि यार नहीं, इट्स टू मच नाउ, आई हैव टू कॉल देम आउट कि ये जो गेम चल रही है दिस इज नॉट राइट। एंड उसके वजह से कहीं ना कहीं अली और अरसलान के लिए भी मैंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया कि आपका ओजी अलाय, अरसलान का ओजी अलाय कुशाल था, और एक फाइट के बेसिस पे उन्होंने सीधा उसको किक आउट कर दिया। एंड अली के साथ उन्होंने एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड बना लिया, एंड सडनली कुशाल उनका दुश्मन बन गया, विच वॉज लाइक एक फाइट
Not
से आप कैसे कर
a,
सकते हो ये, राइट? एंड उसके बाद मुझे पता था कि अब मैं तो आ गई हूँ टारगेट में, और जैसे ही इनको पावर मिलेगी ये मुझे डिलीट करेंगे। and that's what happened.
Right. All right. Well, thank you so much, Payal, and thank you so much for participating. I mean, who would you want to win on the show? I mean, now that you can predict, but very quickly tell me before we go.
Vanshaj, Vanshaj.
Yeah, good
There's
choice.
no
Good,
other name.
very good choice there. Absolutely. Well, look, thank you, Payal. Thank you so much, and very congratulations to you for participating on Alliance. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.